Ah, that's better.
Flood warning in effect from this evening to late tomorrow morning. What? Moderate flooding is forecast. Where? Red Clay Creek at Wooddale. When? From this evening to late tomorrow morning. Impacts at 5.5 feet. Flooding begins in adjacent open fields. At 7.5 feet, Barley Mill Road begins to flood. Brandywine Springs Park floods. At 8.5 feet, flooding begins near Old Capitol Trail and Newport Road. At 10.0 feet, West Rolling Mill Road floods. Creek Road between Piles Ford Road and Wayne Road is closed due to flooding. Additional details. At 9:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 5.7 feet and rising. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 9.5 feet late tonight. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 9.5 feet on July 28, 1968. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay until